Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use frame letters in Canva. First, navigate to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of your Canva interface. From there, you can easily search for letter frames or alphabet frames to discover a vast selection. You will find many styles, from elegant glitter to vibrant floral or classic solid colors. Once you have found the perfect frame, simply click and drag it onto your design canvas to place it. Now that your letter frame is on the canvas, it is time to fill it with your chosen media. You can select any photo or video from your personal uploads or explore Canva's extensive built-in library. Once you have your desired media, simply click and drag it. As you hover the media over the letter frame, you will see it automatically snap into place, perfectly conforming to the frame's unique shape. It is a seamless process that takes just a few seconds. When designing your lead magnet, begin by deeply understanding your ideal customer's pain points and the solutions they seek. Next, select a format that best suits both your content and your audience's preferences. This could be a one-page checklist, a 5-minute video, or a 10-page ebook. Focus on creating high-quality, actionable content that delivers genuine value. Finally, ensure your lead magnet is visually appealing and professionally presented, as this significantly enhances its perceived value and your brand's credibility. To truly make your design stand out, consider adding some finishing touches. You can easily add text boxes to include names, dates, or special messages that complement your framed letters. Explore Canva's vast library of graphic elements to incorporate decorative accents, borders, or icons that enhance your theme. Finally, do not forget to experiment with different background colors and textures. A well-chosen background can significantly elevate the visual appeal of your entire letter design, making it truly unique.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.